Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today in this video, we are going to explain you regarding the topic FFMC license. First of all, we'll tell you what is an FFMC license, what is the whole eligibility criteria if you are going to obtain the FFMC license. We'll also cover the document part, and we'll also talk about the registration procedure, means what type of registration procedure you have to follow step by step if you are in future going to attend or obtain the FFMC license. And at last, we'll also discuss regarding the renewal procedure. So let's begin the video. FFMC license. FFMC stands for full-fledged money changer. The FFMC license is mandatory in India to be obtained by those entities who are dealing in the business of foreign exchange or foreign security under the Section 10 of the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. So, the responsibility for FFMC license lie on the shoulder of Reserve Bank of India, means the RBI. FFMC license holder purchase the foreign exchange from the Indian residents or the non-resident and sell those foreign exchange to the foreign visitor or the tourist for the private or the business purposes. Apart from the FFMC license, if you wish to obtain the franchisee license from the FFMC, then you need to fulfill the two most important requirements, which are as follows: an entity with the physical place of businesses and a minimum net owned fund of rupees 10 lakh. Eligibility criteria for applying for the FFMC license in India. So for the eligibility criteria, the entity must be registered under the Company Act. The operation for the commencement of the business should start within 6 months after the license has been issued. The entity must not be involved in any sort of criminal case. The Department of Revenue Intelligence must not hold any sort of criminal case against the entity. If you are applying for the single branch, then the minimum net owned fund would be 25 lakh, and if applying for the multiple branch, the amount will exceed from 25 lakh, it would be 50 lakh. The object clause of memorandum must have money exchange activity which is adequately mentioned, and the operation of the business should start within 6 months of the issue of the license, means once the license is issued to you, and so the commencement of the business should start within 6 months of the period. Necessary documents required for obtaining the FFMC license. So now let's quickly go through the document part, also means what sort of document you will be needing if you are going to apply for the FFMC license, which are as follows. So for the document part, you will be needing certificate of incorporation and certificate of commencement of business, copy of memorandum of association with a letter mentioning the clause related to the money changing activity, a confidential report from the bank, copy of the latest audited balance sheet of the company along with the certificate from the statutory auditor of the net owned fund. Also, audited account for the last 3 years need to be submitted. Declaration to the effect that the company or the directors are not being investigated by the DOE or DRI, means the Department of Revenue Intelligence. Details of the nature of the business, detail of the previous application for FFMC, RMC license by the applicant, and a board resolution for applying to the full-fledged money changer license and undertaking money changing activity. Without wasting much time, let's quickly go through the registration procedure for obtaining the FFMC license. The applicant needs to download the application form from the website of RBI. Once the application form is downloaded, you need to fill all the necessary detail, attach all the document, then the time comes for the submission part. For submitting the form, you need to submit the form to the Foreign Exchange Department of RBI at the regional office. In case replies there, then the resubmission of form is to be done by the applicant. After that, inspection is done by the RBI. If everything goes well, the license is obtained by the applicant. Circumstances under which a license can be revoked by RBI. After obtaining the FFMC license, don't make yourself relax, because in certain cases the RBI has the authority to cancel, to revoke or to suspend your license. And what are the following conditions? Let me explain you. The license can be revoked by RBI if in the interest of general public, or if the said authorized money changer is not able to comply with the provision of FEMA Act 1999 and the guidelines circular direction issued by the RBI. So let's discuss the renewal procedure also. Means the FFMC license which you have obtained needs to be get renewed timely, which is done means before the expiry period. 1 month prior the license should be renewed. So I hope you get all the information regarding the FFMC license. In future, you are planning to take the same license, you can connect to the Corbis team, because Corbis will guide you thoroughly with the expert team, the team of lawyer, with all covering all the document parts and with this seamless delivery. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.